guys, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Dream Us, a super fast song, and the chords for this song are actually very high for me, so I actually made them lower using the capo. I can't exactly remember which capo I used, but I'm going to start with no capo, and the chords are C to begin with, and if you want to get straight into it, you just play a few bars in the beginning. It's a super fast song, so I think you need to learn the chords first, play it first, and then eventually can get faster. But you know, you might get really into it, and then maybe you should just learn the chords first before singing, because I get too into it and then I can't remember what to sing. So C first. Is the one that I always struggle with, so I just hold it like this rather than the bar thing that everyone does. I mean, try. I feel like it doesn't cover all of it and it hurts my finger, but maybe I'm just, you know, weak. Alright, let's try the chorus again, the beginning. I'm getting a bit rusty, haven't played it in a while. Okay, let's go Dream Us. C. And then when you say dreamed, you go G. Dream, dream. And then you switch A minor. Dream us, shining brighter. And then you change the F major. And the stars. Oh, oops, that sounded kind of funny. And that's what happens when I get too excited and then I forget to press it properly. Either forget to sing properly or forget to play properly. Practice makes perfect, guys. Dream us, my heart is still beating now. I will still be thinking of you. Oh, that sounds kind of funny. Maybe I can afford to go a bit higher. Maybe capo 1 instead. So if that's too low for you, you want to sing higher, go capo 1. But I think I range from capo 1 or capo 0. Depending on the song. Now that's a bit higher. And press the start button. Dream us, little girl, dream, dream, dream us, shining brighter. Sounds funny, that one. F always sounds funny. Maybe you can do the whole switching, like keeping your 2 fingers at the bottom, like these two, and then switching that back and forth. That could help. I know. But then the F doesn't work. There, and then it starts again with the same chords when it's the verse. When the sun rises in the distance, in this eternally dark place, I pray that I will go to the end of this road with you, for a brighter dream that is waiting for us. And then it's going too slow. It's the bridge. The bridge is still the same chords. Isn't that cool? So you can just get to know those chords, those 4 chords, and then after that just sing and just play like automatically, hopefully. I will get teary now, no matter what happens to us. I will just ride the waves of fate, and I will hold your hands when it gets foggy out there. other until the morning sunlight comes. I know why I didn't do this capo one, because it sounds really weird when I play the F for some reason. Oh well. So you can experiment whether you want the capo 1, 2, 3, 0, you know, depending on how high or low you want to sing, and using the same chords is still fine. I will get dear now, no matter what happens to us, I will just ride the waves of fate, and I will hold your hands and when it gets foggy out there, we will still trust each other until the morning sunlight comes. Oh man, that still sounds funny. I mean, it only works, you know, sometimes when you change the capo up and down, like, it doesn't always sound perfect, but, you know, it depends how high you can sing, right? Once you can sing higher, I guess you can change it again. I think the original capo is dreamers, let go, dream the dream, dreamers shine brighter than the stars. Dreamers, my heart is still beating loud. I will still be a slave dreaming of you. Dreamers. So that definitely is the best one, capo 3, but it's very high for me and I can't reach the highest notes. So it's up to you, depending if you really like singing really high and whether you can reach the high notes. I guess the sound is prettier on the guitar when it's in the high notes, but if you can't sing the high notes, then your voice won't be as good. So I want to see if I can teach you the strumming. All I do is down, up twice, and that way. Okay, 2 and 3 up, 2 down, 3 up, 2. But when you go up, it's kind of a soft up, and I don't always stick to it. It sort of depends on how I feel, and most of the time it's automatic. I don't even realize what I'm doing. But I guess when you're beginning, you want to just try out different ways and different rhythms, and you know, it could be just like this, simple, just to get used to it. It could just be down, kind of upbeat, but usually it's down and up to make it sound interesting. That's my way. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think. Yeah, I don't have the second verse because it's too rushed today. Let me know if you want the second verse. Thank you. See you next time.